All right, these are the steps to download a design you made on Canva. All right, so once you're on the page, click on the share button. Okay, then click on download. Once you click on download, you will see the format it will be saved in. PNG is selected in this case. But if you want something different, maybe you want it to be in PDF or in a JPEG, okay, click here and you will see some other options. You have PDF standard, you have PDF print. Okay, so these options are free. We have JPG is free, so you select any one of your choice. Okay, for you to do to download the design in that format. All right, so that's by the way. Okay, let's try JPG here. So we go with this, and then we click on download. And as you can see, this has been downloaded into our PC, to my PC in this case. So let's go and check it out. So I'll click on File Explorer. Then I will click on downloads. Okay, so you click on downloads from your end. Here I'm using Windows 11 PC. On this downloads page, you can see the file I just downloaded in JPG. If you want to see it fully, double click on it. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach you a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.